Oh, good morning, Ahnav. I am Hilmi. Thanks for coming in for the junior programmer interview.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me just finish this level. My guild is counting on me, man. So if I drop now, we lose the loot. Please. Just a minute. I need this so bad. Cool.
We're actually on the tight schedule. Can we start?
Fine. Productivity, right? Let's get this bread. So what do you need for me?
Okay, right. I see you're applying for the junior programmer position. Can you tell me about your experience with Java and also object-oriented programming or OP that you
Java? Yeah, I think I heard about Java. Oh, I forgot. I had a coffee named like that. Just kidding. Sorry, boss. I did it in my school, maybe. I forget. So it's basically just typing a bunch of words, coding stuff like public, static, void. Is that it, right? And something like. To be honest, honestly, I just usually just go to Google or ChatGPT and any other AI, Gemini, and ask what do I need, copy, paste. Like, I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. Why you, why are people stressing themselves when there's the easier way? Just like, yeah, it's from scratch if someone out already did the work.
so I appreciate you about about that. Okay, but now I want to know. Uh, we are failure understanding the logic behind the code here. What if the code you copy paste from the AI, maybe from you say before, like GPT or Gemini, has a major bug right before a client deadline? So, what do you do before the deadline is coming to you?
Hmm. Oh, sorry. Uh, Major bug, yeah. Honestly, I'll probably just make some raisins or something maybe. So, major bug means there's a problem, right? So, uh, problem means waiting, and maybe I'll probably just tell the clients or whoever it is that maybe our server exploded or there was a national blackout or something like that, or internet blackout. Or maybe I just blame the guy who worked on the computer before me. You know, I'm just the type of vibes guy. So if I didn't get the vibe, I couldn't work. So I need the cool vibe. I need some I need some times, okay? So if if I feel stress, it ruins everything. Yeah.
Okay, so I see your CV say you work well with teams. Yeah. Can you give me an example of a successful group project maybe you have before you interview in this place maybe in the school with your friends?
Oh, so work well with teams, of course. So what you mean by that is cool with teams, right? Or cool guy? Obviously, I'm a cool guy in the group. So in my last project, the other four, like the other four former team of mine, is we're doing all the boring stuff. I told you I'm a vibes guy, so if I stress, it ruins everything. And they just giving me stress. They just doing those boring stuff, and I handled the creative vision, and they just told me that I don't work anything. They complained that I didn't do any work, but hey, we passed. We finished. We did it. So you don't need you don't need to be in rush, right? You just need the vibes, the cool vibes. That yeah, that's what I meant. So that's leadership, right? That's what you want.
Okay, not exactly, but maybe we already on the last question for you. So the question is, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Probably in 5 years, that's a lot of time. So probably I'm gonna be retired. Now I'm already on a beach in Bali, or maybe I'll be in the CEO in here, so I can hire people to do coding with me while I play games. So did I pass? Did I get a job or what?
Thank you, Ahnaf. We will definitely be in touch. So I appreciate you has coming in this place. So maybe I will say end this interview. Thank you for Ahnaf to interview in this company.
Fine, fine.
Oh, you're the next candidate. Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. You may sit on the chair.
Good morning, Hilmi. It's pleasure to meet you. Thanks, thanks for the opportunity to interview today.
Good morning too, Eza. I much appreciated. I was looking through your portfolio, the QR scanner, and also the schedule app, and others project on the put put on your CV. And we are very impressive for a beginner. Have a lot project like QR scanner and also schedule app, and then you uh, doing maybe like interview in this company. So maybe this is like a first time your interview. So maybe I want to know about you.
Thank you, Hilmi. I really enjoyed building them, and I'm excited to show how my passion for solving problems can help the team here at TechSquad.
Okay, so now maybe let's talk about teach. So in this company, we using a lot of Java language, and for someone just starting out, how would you explain your approach to object-oriented programming or OOP? That you know, or something you know uh, outside OOP maybe?
I like to explain is using a real world explains. I focus to main ideas. And the first is encapsulation. Think of this like a protective cell. I keep the important data hidden inside a capsule so that other parts of the program don't accidentally change or break it. It keeps the code safe. And the second is polymorphism. This is like a multi-tool. It allows the each of the code to to do different things depending on what's needed. In my schedule app, I use I use this to make sure I could add new features like a reminder button without breaking the calendar part the was already working.
So, what you explained, that's a very clear way to put it. Now, we talk when a bugs are inevitable or when you meet some bug in your code. What's your process when you hit a wall, or what do you do where your code have a bug like that?
I actually treat it like detective work. I start by checking the bug console, which is like a lookbook that tells me exactly where the program triggered up. If I'm still stuck after 30 minutes, I will check the official documentation or a forum. If I still can't find it, I will ask the teammate for a fresh perspective. I believe every bug is just a lesson in how the software works.
I impressive. That's so impressive to you. Excellent. You have used a GitHub and also a Figma, you say, for team projects. So, like in our company, is to using many using like our team using GitHub too and also Figma for the team project, and you have many problem solving to solve that. So maybe I will ask you, how do you handle it when a teammate disagrees with your code?
I believe in logical communication. First is I listen to their idea. Maybe they say something I missed is we still disagree. We look at the project's goal, and I'm always happy to use someone else's solution if it's faster and cleaner. On GitHub, we can easily track this change so we can always go back if something doesn't work. It's about the team's success, not my ego.
So very well said, Eza. Uh, Maybe do you have any question for us?
Listeners.
There is no. Okay. That's all. Is a good. Maybe this is your first time. This is not bad, but I appreciate to you want to apply an interview in this company, and also you want to work with us with your experience. So maybe I will end this interview. I'm so appreciate to you again. So maybe thanks for
Thank you.
uh, interview to us. Maybe we just talk about that in the outside.